Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a Walmart haul and a very small Dollar General haul. So before I get started with this Walmart haul, let me do Dollar General really quick. With Dollar General, I just bought four sets of these plastic bowls that I've seen, like they're in the spring section. I bought a bottle of Tylenol, nothing special. And I did buy a new, it's like a pink color. It's a new watermelon, melon flavored Mountain Dew with zero sugar. But I drank that already, so I can't show you that. But these are the bowls that I picked up at Dollar General. I picked up this nice reddish color. And you get four of these, four thin bowls for $1. And they have them right there for $1. And then they got this pretty, like a pale baby blue color, like a sky baby blue, like a mint green. I don't even know how you pronounce that. Like a mint green or something like that, like the color of these totes. Then I got this pretty dark, like a medium, like a country type of blue. And then this one here is like a nice peachy, like a peachy spring color. And I thought these were nice. You get four for $1. You can't beat that. And these are washable. These last for years and years and years because I used them before. So this is pretty good at Dollar General. All right. So now let's get started with Walmart. So for Walmart, I picked up more totes again. This is the mint blue color. They also had gray. And I think they had black. But, you know, it's kind of crowded and stuff. So I just picked up these. Because like I said, I'm organizing and packing and stuff like that. Then I picked up 3 big bunches right here of fresh big things of bananas. A lot of people were grabbing the bananas, so I just picked up three bunches of that for right now. Then I picked up this Bold House Farms. I love Bold House Farms. This is the vanilla chai tea. Oh my god, this is great. Love this stuff. So I picked up that one. Then I got 2 bright and early orange drinks. This is it tastes just like straight cold delicious orange juice, but it's not really, like, it's not real orange juice. It says high C right here, so it's more watery, but it's still delicious and cold. It tastes just like orange juice. So I just picked up just 2 of those for right now. It was getting crowded. Everybody's grabbing everything from the Walmart. Then I picked up this nice big candle. I used this in the past. This is like one of my favorite ones. This is like the lilac breeze. Oh my god, it smells just like fresh lilacs. I love fresh floral spring type of fragrances. It smells so good. Then I picked up 3 big 2 liters of diet cherry Pepsi. And the crazy thing was, when I went shopping at Walmart, I was thirsty. Like, I was so thirsty. So when you're thinking about drinks, all you want to buy is drinks. And then, you know, if you're hungry, all you want to do is buy food. So anyway, I picked up 3 of the 2 liters. Then I picked up this big pack bar of 8. You get the dial. This is the coconut water gentle cleansing bar soap. And then I thought this was the cranberry one, and it's not. I decided to pick this one up. This is the Dial Power Berries soap. Because I swear this was cranberry. They used to have the cranberry one. I don't know, but that's Power Berries. Then I picked up this. My son found this one. I didn't even see it. It says The Many Faces of Metallica for $6.97. I was like, what? And you get 3 CDs in here. You get a whole collection of a lot of their songs, plus older songs and then newer songs. Like a mixed of combination of Metallica. So that was pretty cool. That's cheap for that price, for 3 discs. And then I picked up this spray right here. This is the Lysol. This is hydrogen peroxide, the multi-purpose cleaner. I picked that one up. Then I picked up this, I think it's a body spray. This was $7, but it's called After the Rain from the Happy Place. And I love anything to do with rain or anything fresh, herbal, rainforest, you know, cut grass, honeysuckles. I love extremely fresh smelling stuff. I don't know what this smells like, so hopefully it smells like rain. Then I picked up 2 of these Focas. This is laundry detergent, liquid laundry detergent. This one's from Mexico. So I got 2 of those. Love it, love it, love it. Smells so good. Then I picked up these. This is the Ensueño. This is the fabric softener. This is the Baby Powdered Fresh Scent. It's a nice big, real big bottle of fabric softener for my clothes. Then I picked up this one, the Insueño. This is the Spring Fresh Max. So this smells like spring, fresh flowers. And these are laundry detergents. These are from Mexico too. And then I spotted this. I saw the big case of the, like I told you, the new watermelon melon Mountain Dew. And then this one here, it's a different box. This one's called Frostbite. And you see the shark with the teeth? It says Frostbite and it's blue. So it's a new flavor of Mountain Dew. So it's called Frostbite. So I bought a big case of that to see what that's like. And I was going to pick up, like I said, the watermelon melon Mountain Dew. I had it earlier. It was okay. It tastes like you're drinking watermelon soda, but it had no zero sugar. And then they also have the mango Pepsi. You know, they have a whole bunch of stuff. So then I picked up a bunch of these again. Now, I'm not too crazy about these all the time. Sometimes it's like they just sit there. You don't really smell it. It doesn't really do much. I have no idea. But I figured I'll try them again. These are different scents. These are the Lysol, like the toilet bowl clings. So this one here is, it says hygienic. Forgot what fragrance this is. This is the blue one. Okay, I see it. It's Atlantic Fresh Scent. That's the blue one. Then I had this one before. This is the Lysol Brand New Day. And it's the dark pink one. It's like a floral fresh scent. And then this one I never seen before. This is the yellow one. Hygienic Lysol. And this one is the, the lemon brie scent. So it's fresh lemons. Good for the toilets. Then I picked up another one of these big, nice candles. And this one here is the cotton. Fresh cotton. Oh my God. So you know what fresh linen smells like? Like fresh cotton. This is extremely fresh. I love this. So that'll be a very nice throw. It smells so good. Then I picked up two of these plastic. I like the way they are. They're flexible. Nice and beautiful gray. I love the gray color. Simple and clean. They're just plastic bowls. They were only 98 cents. So I just picked up two of those at Walmart. Then I picked up this big box right here. This is the Roaring Waters. And this is the Capri Sun. And these are like flavored water. And this one here is the Tropical Tide. Tropical Tide flavored water beverage. So I got those. And then I picked up another one of those. This one is the Fruit Punch Wave. This is like flavored water. And then I picked up two clothing items. This one's a nice black shirt. Let me see if I can open it up. It's super cute. Okay, this is the back. Let's see if I can turn it around. It's really cute. It's got the short sleeves. The, the cute little buttons right here. The pockets in the front. Right here. And then down here it has like a little tie on it. And it's flowy. And it has like the short sleeves. This is super cute. They also have it in like how you say it? Like a melon type of color. I just saw an orb go by. But anyway, I picked up this cute shirt. I thought it was cute. And I got it just in simple black. And then I picked up these cute, stretchy, army camouflaged shorts with the string right here in the front. Really cute. It's got like the little, I don't think it has any pockets. No, I don't think it has pockets. Oh, yeah, it does, I think. No. Yeah, I think it does. Right here, like those little normal pockets you put your... You see? And these are just stretchy little camouflage shorts. I really like those. So I picked those up. And they also have this in other colors. Like white and just plain colors. But I love army camouflage. So I picked that up. And that's basically it, guys. That's all I picked up today at Walmart. And then Dollar General. Thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.